You should be where your leads are. And if you just look at how much video is consumed on the internet every day, you see that that's where people like to spend a lot of their time. By using video, stats also show that you can significantly increase the number of qualified leads. But it's also a great opportunity to show off the human side of your company. And people like to do business with a company they feel connected to. So here are the 3 best tips on how to work with video and email marketing. And I'll also share with you one of the biggest mistakes I see when it comes to video in marketing. There's always a story to tell, and most of them also work in email marketing. So some examples of videos could be tips and tutorials, customer testimonials, show off your company behind the scenes. But what's nice with email marketing though is that your video doesn't have to get complicated. Something short and sweet as just a welcome message is great. If you could get a representative from your company on camera, great. I'm a big fan of that, to get that personal touch. Whatever story you decide to tell, keep it as short as possible. Under 90 seconds is great. But as much as I believe in the power of keeping it short, I also believe that if the video is relevant to your viewers, they're going to stick around for a little bit longer than that. So if you need some extra time to get your message across, try it. Keep a look at the video reports to see if it works for your viewers. Another option is to create a video series. It can work as a cliffhanger. Your recipients will want to know what happens next and wait around for your next email. There's no need to embed the video itself in the email, so avoid that hassle and create a title image for a video, add a play button to it, and when you add that to the email, link to the video from that one. But the important part here, don't link to the video hosting site. Add the video to a landing page that you control and drive traffic to your site and not to someone else's. Some tend to forget that we don't make a video just for the sake of it. Each video has a purpose, and that needs to be clear to the viewer. So don't forget to tell them to download something, subscribe, sign up, or whatever you want your leads to do. So on that note, don't forget to follow our page here for more smart marketing tips, and I will see you next time.